Alright, we have a Whirlpool dryer. Just finished changing the belt and stuff on it. And notice the drum light is out. Closing the door, open it. Drum light is out. So I'm going to show you guys how to change that. And as always, you can look on my website for a new light bulb for your dryer. Easy repair. It's right here. Phillips head screw. Comes out. Bulb's there. Just twist gently so you won't break it. We recommend wearing gloves and unplugging your dryer before you do this. But I'm not practicing what I preach right now. Just be careful. That's the old bulb. And there's the new one. You guys saw these on my website. The link is connected below. And you just put it in there and you twist. Or lefty loosey, righty tighty. There we go. Twist till she comes off. And there you go. Sorry about the camera work. Hold the phone with one hand and do this with the other. I need to go ahead and get a stand or something. There's all the debris that came out of that cover. So you put your screw back in. And that's it. Any questions, leave a comment below, and also you can find that bulb on my website and it will ship to you fast.